welcome back to another wonderful tutorial. In this session, you will learn how to create a responsive prototype with adaptive view. So let's get started. So when we are talking about a responsive prototype, we are talking about creating a web page that looks good on all devices. A responsive design will automatically adjust for different devices. For example, when you are accessing a web page on a laptop, iPad, or a phone, it should adjust to that particular type of device that you are accessing it from. So this is my web page. My web page design which I did. I created 3 different pages and I designed for them. So this is my web page, and this is my iPad page, and this is my iPhone page. Okay, so let me preview for you to see. So my web page, this is my web page. Then I want to adjust it so you will see. And then okay, so I'm adjusting it, but you notice the horizontal line here, it's showing, which is wrong. So I'll go back to my design, and then to do the adaptive view, to make my page responsive, I'll make sure I won't select anything. Then go to add adaptive views, and then create new adaptive view set. Okay, so now the base 1024 times any it has given me the shape of a website. Okay, a website view. So I'll add 2 different pages. Then I will take iPad because I designed for iPad here. And then next to I will take an iPhone. Okay, so please make sure that the font size which you design for is the font size that you choose. Okay, so now, okay. So I will go to my iPad, then select everything that is in iPad and copy it. Then go to my web and come here to the iPad and select everything and delete it and paste the one I copied. Okay, so next I will go to iPhone. Okay, then I will select everything in iPhone and copy it, and go to web and paste and select everything and delete it and paste the one I copied. Okay, so the web page is okay, so I won't do anything there. Then I will preview for us to see. Okay, so now let me let me expand it and adjust it, then you will know the difference. So it has given me the view of a web page. So let me adjust it. It has given me the view of an iPad. Then next, it has given me the view of an iPhone. This is how we make our page responsive. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.